My major area of research is in geotechnical engineering. It's a branch of civil engineering, and I focus on site characterization, soil erosion, and characteristics of soil and how they change with time. What energizes me is just that I get to go and be outside and learn something new. I think everyone's energized by being outside. That's why on the weekends we like to go outside and do new things. Why wouldn't you want to do that on a Wednesday afternoon if you could, instead of sitting in your office? I like that I don't have to sit inside my office all day long, that I have the opportunity and it's encouraged for me to leave my office to see what's unique about the project we're working on. I'm often told by people that I'm not a typical engineer because I'm happy talking to people, going and getting people excited, talking about the exciting parts of my job, and people think that's not normal for an engineer to be able to hold a normal conversation. Students often tell me that I'm way too excited about soil, and I clearly love it way too much. Soil is the most widely used construction material on the planet. It goes into tons of different things. Soils are cool because they're always different. It could be within 20 feet of where I was yesterday and it's going to be a little different, or if it's in a different city, it could be a lot different. When we have soil erosion and it's going places we don't want to go, it can contaminate water. It can cause actually damage to infrastructure, and so we can save a lot of money and have a lot better infrastructure if we have good foundations for our buildings to sit on. We're looking at ways to improve kind of the world around people by not contributing to the problem. So we're really involved in pretty much your everyday life. When I go out and I talk to young women, I want them to see that this is something they can for sure do, that it's super fun, and that it's not the stereotype of what we think of engineers, that we can go out and joke and enjoy the sun a little bit and learn something new and get a little dirty, and then take that and turn that into something, some type of a design or some type of new knowledge. There's a lot of evidence that shows that, women and just diversity in general brings new perspective to the field. We need these unique solutions as our designs become more complicated, as our needs become more difficult, to broaden the scope of geotech and to become more creative and to change and kind of alter the paradigm that we have in geotech right now to see new ways to solve problems. I'm Stacey Kulesza. I'm a civil engineer and I solve problems.